Orthodontic anchorage is a key concept in biomechanics that refers to the resistance to movement offered by a unit or structure when subjected to orthodontic forces. Maintaining good anchorage makes it possible to achieve precise tooth movements without affecting adjacent teeth or supporting structures, directly determining the success of many treatments. Traditionally, intraoral anchorage strategies, such as posterior teeth, and extraoral anchorage, such as headgear, are used. However, temporary anchorage devices, TADs, such as microscrews and mini implants, have revolutionized clinical practice by providing absolute anchorage without depending on patient cooperation or dental structures. TADs are quick to place, minimally invasive and versatile in terms of location, allowing control of complex movements such as intrusion, distalization, or space closure with greater precision. Their use requires prior assessment of the bone, oral hygiene, and careful selection of the size, length, and insertion site to avoid complications. In addition, it is recommended to apply light, controlled forces from the outset. The biomechanics of anchorage considers the interaction of different force systems, such as arch wires, elastics, or springs, and their effects on active and anchorage units. An efficient design anticipates side effects, simultaneous movements, and controlled forces. In summary, anchorage control is a cornerstone of modern orthodontics. The combination of TADS and a rigorous biomechanical approach optimizes treatments, minimizes undesirable effects, and increases clinical efficiency, requiring the orthodontist to master the fundamentals and techniques of placement, loading, and maintenance of these devices.